When you have Learn365 installed in your organization, adding it to Microsoft Teams couldn't be easier. Go to Apps, search for Learn365, and then add it to your Teams. You can access your entire Learner dashboard, all without exiting Microsoft Teams, making it easier to take the relevant training you need when picking any course from the dashboard. Follow your training progress, see acquired badges, certificates, and skills, and understand how to reach your skills targets. You can also view courses inside Microsoft Teams, share and recommend them in any chat or channel. Simply click the Learn365 icon, find your desired course, and share it easily. It's even possible to bring Learn365 elements into a channel as a tab. Just add a new tab, like for example your new course catalog. Once it's in the channel, you can now easily see all of your corporate training inside of Microsoft Teams. You can stay on top of your training with Teams notifications for enrollment, completion, and retake. Already using Copilot for Microsoft? Your line manager can help keep you on track with your training and development. You can see now that Learn365 provides a complete and flexible learning experience right from Microsoft Teams.